Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Arbitrum in Metamask Mobile App. For that, you need to simply launch your Metamask Mobile application and then you need to tap on the top left hand corner of the screen. Now once you tap on it, you will see all of the networks that you have enabled. Now since we want to add Arbitrum, you need to just scroll down a bit, and in the additional networks you will see Arbitrum 1, and right next to it you will see this add option. So you need to tap on add and then you will see this type of page in front of you, where you just have to do nothing but to just tap on the confirm option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now it will ask you whether you want to close the window or you want your network to be converted or switched to the Arbitrum network. So you need to tap on switch to the network, and as you can see, Arbitrum 1 is now successfully added in our Metamask account. If this video helped you out, give it a like. If you have any questions, you can let me know that in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.